What a beautiful Tuesday afternoon. Nice and sunny. Spring is finally here. I am in Monkisco getting ready for one of our new upcoming listings. We just took photographs. It's an outstanding 3 bedrooms, 3 full bathroom colonial, and I'll show you what it is inside just in a minute. One thing I wanted to highlight about this property, it is part of our guaranteed sale program. And as you can see, here is the sign. Buy this home and we'll buy yours for cash. So what that means, it is the common dilemma for buyers that are looking to upgrade. They have a property they're looking to sell, and they need to sell an existing home. So if you or anyone you know facing this dilemma, reach out to us. We can solve it. We will sell your property, and if not, we'll buy it for cash. So you can request a copy of this report, How to Avoid Getting Stuck with 2 Homes, by calling me directly at 914-529-6300. So let's take a look at this new listing. As I said, it's been totally redone inside. So all bathrooms redone, kitchens redone, beautiful hardwood floors. Living room with wood fireplace. Nicely done kitchen. Large dining room with French doors leading to the deck and awesome water views. So if you want to get more information about this property, call me directly at 914-529-6300. This is Igor, Team Success, Keller Williams NY Realty team, where your home is sold guaranteed or we'll buy it for cash. We'll see you soon.